See here now. Okay, everyone. Okay, that's okay. Just look at the board now. We will solve one more question. Place value. What's the meaning of place value? Place value means what, guys?
स्थानीय मान.
Place value means स्थानीय मान. What's the meaning of place value? स्थानीय मान. Place value means स्थानीय मान. Now just stop writing and just look at the board now. Okay. Suppose the first one is a monkey. The first one is a monkey. Second is a cat. Second is a cat. Second is what? Second is cat. After that there is a mango. Third number is what? Mango. Third number is mango. Then fourth number is a tree. Fourth number is a tree. And after tree what? After tree, suppose there is ice cream. After tree there is a ice cream. First one is monkey. Second one is cat. Third one is mango. Fourth one is tree. And fifth one is ice cream. Now one by one we will find out the place value of each other. एक एक करके सबका place value निकालेंगे. And place value means स्थानीय मान. So first of all we will find out the place value of monkey. Place value of monkey. So write down place value of monkey. Place value of monkey. Is equals to what? Place monkey का place value क्या होगा? First of all we will write down monkey. सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे? Monkey. Okay. Monkey. Now see after monkey how many members or how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. So we will write down 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the place value of monkey. ये क्या होगा? Monkey का place value. What is next after monkey? Cat. So place value of cat. Place value of cat. Place value of cat is equals to, first of all we have to draw the cat. जिसका भी place value निकालना है पहले वो वाला number लिखेंगे. So place value of what? Cat. So first of all just draw the cat. Okay, now just see after cat. After means बाद में. After means so after cat how many things are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many कितने हैं? 3. 1, 2, 3. So we will write down 3 0. 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. After cat, what's the next? Mango. So place value of mango. So place value of mango is equals to what? Hardik, place value of mango. First of all, we will have to draw mango. Now see, after mango, how many things? 1, 2. 1, 2. So how many 0? 1, 2. Mango also completed. Now we have to find out the place value of tree. The place value of tree. So place value of tree is equals to, first of all we have to draw the tree. Now after tree how many things? 1. So how many 0? 1. Now the last one is ice cream. Now we will find out the place value of ice cream. So first of all what we have to write down? Ice cream. So first of all ice cream. Now after ice cream is there anything? Ice cream के बाद कुछ बचा है? So इसके बाद कुछ आएगा? Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay. Now just draw this.